Hey guys, it's Chris and this is Tammy.
Hey y'all.
Welcome back to the channel, and today this is going to be our fourth unboxing video, unboxing our death pile. We got some boxes up there. I'm going to go get one. Alright guys, let me open this box up. I pulled these two out here. These are lighted nativity scene here. I usually sell these come Christmas time. Really, I sell them year round. They're really good. I normally don't have issues with them. I like picking those up. And then this is a lighted cross here. So that'd be pretty neat. Christmas time, that 4 quarters coming up, guys. Time to get your Christmas stuff listed. Of course, really, you can sell Christmas stuff all year if you want to. I do. I sell it all year round. That and Halloween, we can sell those all year round. So we're gonna break into this box right here and let's see what we got in here. Announcement wise, I plan on doing a whatnot show. I haven't set a date for that yet. I will let you know in future videos. I'm also looking into going live once a week for an hour for a Q&A session. I will keep you updated on the times and day for that. I just want to do it once a week. So let's get in this box right here. Those are the announcements that I have for today. Let's get in this box right here. I did have one sale yesterday, and it was one of them golf divots repair tools. I believe I did a video the other day about selling one that I bought in a bag. It had 6 or 7 in it. This one I sold for $10 plus shipping. I'll put the screenshot of the sale up in the corner there. So that's another good investment on them divots, guys. If you see them, you buy golf bags out, check the pockets. If they're in them pockets, man, sell them separately. They do sell. It looks like we got some plush off the bat in this one. Let's see here what we got. More packing paper. Always got some good packing paper. All right. First thing we got is a Winnie the Pooh with the what kind of tag. It's not a Pooh tag or Disney tag or anything like that. It's pretty clean, but hey, he's Winnie the Pooh. It's a plush. They will sell. Oh wait, he's got a marking on the bottom of his foot right there. This says celebrating 80 years of friendship on the bottom of his foot. Huh. Let's see what we can get for that one right there. We got an ashtray in here. Weird looking kind of ashtray, looks like. An ashtray. I used to pick up ashtrays a lot. I don't do it too much anymore. We got a Tabletops Medici, M-E-D-I-C-I. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong. It's hand painted and handcrafted. It's like a little tea mug. They're pretty. I don't know if you guys got good lighting or not here. Probably not. I don't have any lights in this area of the barn yet, but we're working on it. I'll show everything at the end here that's stacked up. Oh, we got a bobblehead. Okay, so this is the one that's just okay. It's supposed to be glued. Looks like the bobblehead come off, so we'll fix that. Glued in there. It's is that Betty Boop? Betty Boop bobblehead. Betty Boop sells real good, guys. Keep an eye out for that. We'll fix that right there. We'll repair that. That won't be an issue right there. And that'll be a good sale for us right there, I'm sure. Betty Boop sells good. Let's see what we got. That's something wrapped up, and we got some plates here, it looks like. The first one is going to be a Toledo Delight 22 karat gold Lamigos, made in the USA. I don't know where the gold is on it, but it says on the back there 22. Let's see if we can turn it up right there. 22 karat gold. I don't know if you guys can see that good or not. Maybe around here. My phone's ringing and I'm nowhere near it. Yeah, we'll clean that up and we'll look that up and see what we can get out of that. Alright, the next item out of the box is going to be a plate. It looks like it's Germany US zone is what it says on the back. It says Schwerzenhammer, Bavaria. I think Schwerzenhammer, Bavaria, if you guys can see that right there. So we paid $1 for that. We're going to see what that's going to be to bring us there. There's two nice little plates. Some more packing paper. You guys can see I did a lot of packing paper. Alright, we got a PlayStation 2 greatest hit, Tony Hawk's Underground there. It is complete. Look at that. It is complete. See how the disc looks here. Disc looks really, really good on that one. So that's a good Tony Hawk. I used to sell a lot of these. So Tony Hawk, I might get a few bucks out of that one. It is the red label version. I don't know if that really matters or not. Alright, we got a box or something right here. What is this thing? A water fountain is on the side of it there. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, this sucker is heavy. Look at that, guys. And okay, so I need to check. It looks like it's got some type of musical box with it too. I hope you guys, I don't know, man. I think this lighting is not good. It's really not, and I apologize, guys. I really do. But look at that. That's just so nice right there. That is so nice. I had some bad lighting, man. That really bothers me too, because I don't like bad lighting. So that's a nice little piece right there. Nothing's broken on it, you know. So it comes in its own little box. So that'd be a nice little. That's heavy too. That's going to be a nice piece to ship. But the good thing is it has its own box, so I ain't gotta worry about finding a box for it. Of course, I'm sure I'll be double boxing it anyway, you know. Bubble wrap that sucker real good and then bubble box it. Alright, the next thing is a International Silver Company quartz clock. You guys can see that. That bothers me. That lighting bothers me, guys. It really does. I hope y'all are able to see this really good. I really do. I'm gonna show it after I pull everything out of the box. We'll come down off the ledge up there and we'll look at what we got. So you guys can get a good view of everything. I don't know what this is here. This is a Valis, commercial Valis, Quictronic commercial. I'm pretty sure it's a Valis. Yeah, it's Valis. It's still sealed up in there. So that'd be a pretty neat little sale there, new. Let's see, what else we got here? We got a deer. It's a Build-A-Bear. This is a Build-A-Bear. Maybe Bambi?
No, I think that's just a reindeer.
Just a reindeer?
Yeah.
Okay. So Build-A-Bear. Oh, we got a sealed Pokemon pack right here. Trading cards. See, I didn't get no good lighting in this. I need my lights right here. This is which one is this? This is I don't know, but there it is there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So that's might be worth a little bit there. And then this next thing, look at this. This is old. This is a How do you say that? Is that even in a...
That's not a...
That's not in English, is it?
No.
That's it?
Yeah, that is a...
I don't know what this is. Huh? So what, honey?
I'm thinking it's pureed. Tomato press.
Tomato press. And it works. Huh. Oh yeah, there we go. Tomato press. It's an old one. It's got a date on it, maybe? No? It's an old one. We'll check it out here in a little while. Check it out here in a minute. I'm gonna get this handle off so I can put it back in the box. There we go. Put that back in the box. See if there's a date on it. Made in Italy. It's made in Italy. Oh, no date on it though. Some kind of old though. And then we got a book. Oh man, this is a heavy one. This is a Chilton's Auto Repair Manual from American Cars from 1968 to 1975. So that's a Chilton's, guys. Guys, if you don't know about car manuals, even the paperback ones, Chilton's, pick those up because they do sell. They do sell. Believe it or not, these old car manuals still sell. You got plenty of people out there still building hot rods and stuff. You know, so they do sell. That's all that was in that box. That was a small box right there. Okay guys, so the video was longer than what I anticipated. I did 2 boxes. You just saw the first box, so we're going to cut this one off and then I'll do a video on the next box. So it'll be a unboxing 4 and unboxing 5. Also, I did not get to show the layout of everything after I pulled it out of the box. For some reason, I have no idea why, when I filmed it, when it come back, everything was upside down. Even I was upside down in the video, so I had to cut that part completely out. That had the ending in it, so we're gonna end the video on this one here. Just want to remind everybody to check the links below from my stores. Also, hey, if you guys want to buy me a pizza, hey, there's a link down there for that too. I greatly appreciate all your support that you guys give me. Thanks for being subs. Also, I want to appreciate you guys for that too. Hey, if you're not a sub, subscribe for me. It helps the channel out. Give me a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, I don't think I have any major announcements. I am going to be doing a live show soon. I am going to be doing a Whatnot show soon. You can sign up with Whatnot with the link I have below. I'm not affiliated, so you don't get the $15. You only get the $10 credit that you can use with any show on Whatnot. I think that's it, guys, so we'll see you on the next video.